Trameter AI has just dropped, and is making waves in the AI space. If you're wondering whether this new software is worth your time, stay tuned because I'm about to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about Trameter AI. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its potential and whether it deserves a place in your AI toolkit. First, let's talk about its core function. Trameter AI is all about simplifying your data processes. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or content creator, this tool is designed to help you analyze and streamline massive amounts of data quickly. The software uses powerful AI models to pull insights, making complex tasks feel like a walk in the park. If you're someone who works with analytics, you'll know how time-consuming data crunching can be. Trameter AI cuts that down significantly, saving you hours of work. But it's not just about speed. Trameter AI offers real-time data processing, meaning you get instant insights instead of waiting for batches to process. This is a game changer if you need to pivot your strategy fast or react to changing conditions in real time. The live data feature makes it incredibly useful for digital marketing campaigns, especially if you're managing paid ads or real-time customer interactions. Another key feature is its simplicity. Trameter AI is incredibly user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. You won't need to go through a steep learning curve. The interface is intuitive, and the setup process is simple, allowing you to start analyzing data almost immediately. If you're familiar with other AI tools, you'll notice that Trameter does a great job of minimizing the usual complexities. One of the standout aspects of Trameter AI is its integration capabilities. It works seamlessly with a variety of platforms: Google Analytics, social media, CRM systems, you name it. This means you can pull in data from different sources and have it all processed in one place. For marketers and business owners, this is a massive time saver. Instead of jumping between platforms to gather insights, you can view everything in one dashboard. Now, let's talk about automation. Trameter AI doesn't just analyze data, it automates certain decision-making processes as well. For example, you can set up triggers that automatically adjust your campaigns based on the data it gathers. If you're running ads, for instance, you can program Trameter to increase the budget on high-performing ads and pause underperforming ones without lifting a finger. Also, Trameter AI offers some impressive reporting features. Instead of pulling manual reports, the software automatically generates detailed and actionable insights. These reports can be customized to your needs, whether you need a high-level overview or a deep dive into specific metrics. It's like having an entire analytics team at your disposal, minus the overhead. Lastly, I want to talk about the pricing. Trameter AI is offering a free trial for anyone interested in testing it out. And honestly, if you're skeptical, this is the perfect opportunity to take it for a spin and see if it fits your needs. You can access the trial through the first link in the description below. If you've been struggling to manage your data, or just looking for a better way to leverage AI in your business, Trameter AI might be the tool you need. I've tried dozens of AI software solutions, and this one stands out because of how accessible and effective it is. But don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself for free and see the difference. If you found this review helpful, make sure to check out my recommended AI tools in the description. I've tested thousands of AI platforms, and I only recommend the ones that truly make a difference.